One of my favorite things about making custom wooden pet names is to getting to know the pet and coming up with a design that fits his personality or her personality. I just really enjoy that part of my Etsy shop. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I've branched out and have completed some really pretty things on the scroll saw. But the animal lover in me just really enjoys making an image that fits someone's fur family perfectly. And that's really where my passion lies. I've been working on different angles when filming so you can see my process more clearly. But as you can see in this clip, holding the camera while working the drill press is proving to be a little problematic.
Okay, we've got the first coat of poly on this guy. He's starting to look really good. So, when you do poly, it tends to bring out some of the grains in the wood. So you have to take a light sanding before you do your second coat. And I usually use 220 grit. And then just gently go around. And I do it by feel. I really should wear my contacts, but so I try to find where the grain is lifted up a little bit and do a light sanding. And I usually do this about 3 or 4 times. Poly, sanding, till it gets a nice shine to it.